All my jewelry lovers, get in here. Let's talk about earring designs that will fetch you loads of money this year. These are designs I sold and earned a whole lot of money, and people were wondering what was going on. Through selling these designs, I set up 3 different luxury jewelry stores and did lots of nice things for myself. Don't sleep on them. Make sure you save this video and check for these designs in your local markets, or ask your vendors on how to get them. They are designs women love and would hardly ignore. No matter the age, race, societal call, or jewelry preference, women will hardly ever ignore these designs. In fact, you will not need to do lots of work advertising them, because the designs speak for themselves. Just looking at them speaks volumes. They are very beautiful, stylish, modern and classy. You can create good content with them and fix prices that please you. Whatever the case may be, people will always be glad to buy these designs from you because of how beautiful they are and how dressy and classy they appear. These designs of earrings can elevate any dressing to a top-notch level, so definitely, any jewelry lover would gush over them. Yes, that's right. Source for them, stock them up and start that jewelry business today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this post, share it with your fellow jewelry lovers and turn on your post notification, so you do not miss out on future jewelry inspiration posts, because we will definitely be posting more earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets and jewelry set collections that will help you make loads of money. Do you want to start a jewelry business, but do not know how to go about it or where to start from? You can subscribe to our Jewelry Business Masterclass, and we will guide you all the way. Comment update, and we will spill all the tea on how you can join our Jewelry Business Masterclass. In the Masterclass, we will not only teach you the AZ of starting a jewelry business, but also help you draft a detailed business plan for a jewelry business, help you with your jewelry business checklist, and also give you a supplier's contact where you can purchase the best pieces of jewelry in the most beautiful designs and at extremely affordable prices. Both in stainless steel, zirconia stones, pure gold, natural diamonds, silver and moissanites. We are here to make the journey easy for you. Don't forget to watch this video again, and take note of these tested and trusted designs of jewelry. Till we meet again guys, cheers!
Aisha Uchwa.